Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to turn on active status on TikTok. It's very easy guys, and this is actually a new feature. Alright, so when the active status is turned on, it allows your followers to know when you're active or not. Alright, so it's very easy to turn on. Now, how can you do that? The first step to take guys is to open your TikTok application, but just before you follow the process I'm about to share, you need to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. All right, so you have to head to App Store or Play Store and update your TikTok application. So after updating it, you have to wait for a while if you don't have the feature yet. So just have to wait for a while for the feature to appear on your app. Now, how can we turn on active status on TikTok? It's very easy. Like I said, all you have to do, open your TikTok application, head to your profile. After that, you find these three lines at the top right corner. Click on that and click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy. And then you're going to find the activity status option right there. All right, and if you read the information below the activity status, it says when this is turned on, you and the followers you follow back will see each other's activity status. You both will see each other's activity status only when you both turn this on. All right, so go ahead and turn it on. And that's how you can do it. It's very easy, like I said. So this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.